Hi, I'm David Goldshaw, President of Oshaw Dental Productions. Here in Canada, I'm looking after the technical education and demonstrations training for the Yates Motloyd, Chicago-based company, manufacturer of some fine products. Yates Motloyd manufactures many great products for the dental lab, and I'd like to talk to you now about the waxes. Now, these waxes are actually made in the United States. And so the Yates Motloyd company has 8 different styles of waxes, and here are 4 of the most commonly used waxes. I'd like to introduce you to the Yates Motloyd All-Season Wax. Now, this type of wax is in its purest form of a wax. It's very simple, very easy to use, and it's going to soften at a very nice temperature of 150 degrees. Here I've got a microtorch that I'm going to be using to heat the wax. Again, we could either use that or hot water, but remember the temperature must be fairly hot. So, with the light passing backwards and forwards in the flame, the waxes will soften nice and easily. And once it's malleable, we're then able to adapt it down over our model. And this is the perfect type of wax we can use when setting up teeth. So of course, for dental work, for blocking out undercuts, it is really a superb material to use. Now, as I'm softening the wax, at this point now, just about now, we're now ready to take the material and then adapt it down over our model. Now, just previous to this, I've just adapted some material, and you can see easily how the material has adapted down nicely. I would then trim off the excess, and now we have a perfect, again, rich form material that we can either use to set up our teeth for dental work, or else use, in this case, for custom tray as a spacer. Thank you.